Today in this video we're going to be learning about the basics of binary numbers. So what are binary numbers? First let's know what they mean and how they can be used to benefit us in the future years. So binary numbers are essentially the languages that computers communicate with. Example, if we input a text or anything search up on the computer web or youtube.com or instagram.com or anything, that text will be converted into binary numbers, which then will tell the computer, oh, this guy wants to search up YouTube, so I will give him YouTube. So this is basically the language that computers use to communicate with each other. But we're going to learn about binary numbers and how we can make this into whole numbers. So first we're going to look at 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. And also before I start, in a electric circuit or computers, 0 means false, 0.1 equals true. Now I'll come back to this later. I'll maybe make a part 2 on this, as this is a completely different. But in programming, we call this Boolean values. So this is a type of data type which we call Boolean. So true and false are they are the two Boolean values. First we're going to add these numbers. So we're going to make this into a whole number. So we work with a thing called the 2-base system. So it starts with 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6. And then we simply convert this into the index. So this will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. This part may be confusing, but to make this number, we only add the numbers that correspond with the binary 1. So we only add this. So I'm going to repeat myself again. We only add the numbers that correspond with 1. We ignore the zeros. We don't add anything with zeros. We simply just add the numbers with 1. So in this case, it would be 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, which then equals 1 plus 4, 5, 13, 29. So this binary value is 29. Now we're going to do the same thing here. So we're going to put 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. And since we don't add zeros, we can simply ignore these two zeros as they don't have any necessity at all. So this will become 256 plus 128. Sorry, we don't add that, my bad. 32 plus 4 plus 2, which then gives us 294. But how can we tell if a binary digit is even or odd? Well, in a simple way, if your binary number ends in a 1, it's guaranteed it will be an odd number, as we're also adding 1 to a bunch of even numbers. But if it ends with 0, that becomes 1 and we don't even add the 1. So it will be 2, 4. So if it ends on a 0, it's an even number. And if it ends with 1, that's an odd number. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this binary video gave you a better insight on technology and how mathematics can influence technology. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.